Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today's topic is factoring algebraic expressions. So get out your composition book. Let's take some notes. Good. All right, factoring algebraic expressions. So we've talked about an expression. An expression, or an algebraic expression, has numbers, operation, and a variable, or multivariables. So you can see this is an algebraic expression. What we're going to discuss is how to factor it, okay? So you know factoring, like, factors are numbers that you multiply to get a product. For example, 12, the factors of 12 is 6 and 2. You can factor 6 and 2 out of 12. You can even factor 3 and 2 from 6. So the factors, or the prime factorization of 12 is 3 times 2 times 2. Factoring. So we've done this before. So we're going to factor algebraic expressions. So when you look at this, you can see that these two terms, this 2 and this 4x, they both share a common factor, and that is 2. So you could factor out a 2 and then write 1 plus 2x. And you can check to see, we could use a distributive property here to see if this works. Let me erase this and this, okay? So I can multiply this and say, well, 2 times 1, well, that's 2, right? And then I can multiply 2 times 2x, well, that's 4x. Or another way of checking to see if this even works is, remember, x is a number. So let's just pick a simple number. How about 3? Yeah. So let's just say x is 3. So let's put 3 in here, insert for x. Well, what's 2 plus 4 times 3, or 4 times 3 plus 2? Well, that would be 14, right? Because 4 times 3, 12, plus 2, 14. And then here, we just did this math, we factored it. Let's insert 3 in here. So if we have 2 times 3, well, that's 6, plus our 1 times 2, well, that's 7 times 2, and that is 14. So we are factoring an expression, and we just plugged in a number for that variable just to verify what we're doing is correct. Does that make sense? Okay. So let's just try this again to make sure you guys understand this. So we're just, again, learning how to factor an algebraic expression. So here it says 6x plus 30. Again, what is a common factor of the 6 and the 30? You could say 2. You could say 3. You could even say 6. So let's factor out the 6 here. And so we would just factor out 6. And then we would write, well, 6 times what is 6x? Well, that would be x. Plus 6 times what is 30? That would be 5. And so we have now factored out, or we have factored this algebraic expression. Did we get this? I know it's only 3 minutes to discuss. It's a pretty easy video tutorial. Okay. Anyway, here's what I want you guys to do. Just solve these 4 problems. So I want you to just factor each expression. Number 1 and 2, you probably won't have any problem. Number 3, this would be number 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. 3, you might have a little bit of difficulty, maybe not. But I think this one is going to get some people. So we're going to give this the top Wildcat. Yeah, usually it's on your homework assignment, but it's on the video tutorial. So we're going to go over this one tomorrow, and this will count as a point for the second quarter for the top Wildcat. Okay. So I want you to do these 4 problems. And then lastly, it says simplify each expression, then factor. So we've already learned how to simplify. So first simplify, then factor. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 more problems here. So I hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial. We'll go over it tomorrow. And have a good evening, or good afternoon, or good morning. Bye-bye.